How to join a private group on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'll show you how you can join a private group on Telegram. Now, a private group on Telegram is obviously code encrypted, so you can't just join it by, going on Telegram-group and just, clicking on the join button and joining it. That's not how it works. A private group is basically a group that can only be joined through a certain link. So, whoever's group it is that you're trying to join, all you're going to need to do is you're going to ask them to go ahead into the group's invite link. So this is the share link or the invite link that they're going to need to share with you. And all you're going to do is you're going to click on this and you're going to click on, the link, and it's going to redirect you to the group. And it's going to give you the option to join the group. And once you join the group, basically from there on out, you're going to join the private group on Telegram. So yeah. Just need the link and you're good to go. So that's how you're going to join the private group on Telegram. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.